Alright, looks like we got another one wrapped up and ready to go. That's SL-100DC FP. So it's full-time battery backup with the foot pedal to disengage the motor so you can manually open and close it. It's perfect for families. You got the dad in a nice pair of shoes, wife in high heels. Very easy just to take your hand, push it down, or you can take it, which is what it is, a foot pedal, push it down and push it over. So you don't have to worry about getting out of your car and finding some crank underneath the gate operator, taking the cover off and all that stuff. So it turned out to be a pretty clean little installation. A little different than normally do it. Photo eye on the stand, antenna on the stand. I'm getting 100 feet with the antenna like that, so that's all good. And then that was pretty much about it. Automatic gates, audio, video, visual surveillance, video surveillance too. Access control, low voltage project management, safeguard controls, Dallas, Texas, y'all.